Drive quality, ensure safety. QualityPro for healthcare. Tune in now. Welcome back to the QualityPro Podcast. Today, we're diving into the healthcare industry, where every process, from patient care to medical device manufacturing, must meet strict quality, safety, and regulatory standards. One missed check or incomplete record can put patients at risk, trigger compliance violations, or lead to costly audits. That's where QualityPro QMS comes in. It streamlines quality workflows, automates approvals, tracks deviations, and logs every activity with full traceability. With built-in regulatory compliance support and real-time analytics, healthcare providers and manufacturers can proactively manage risks, ensure patient safety, and stay audit-ready. From labs and pharmacies to device production units, QualityPro connects all departments into a single, transparent quality ecosystem. Quality management isn't just a requirement in healthcare. It's a life-saving advantage, and QualityPro makes it effortless,